Join me as I challenge myself to build multiple income streams from scratch and see just how easy it can really be. Having multiple income streams is crucial in achieving financial stability and freedom. It's the key to breaking free from the constraints of a single salary and living life on your own terms. One of the main reasons people don't create multiple income streams is because they think it's complicated and time-consuming. They believe it requires a lot of expertise, effort, and resources. But what if I told you that's just a myth? Creating multiple income streams is not as hard as you think, and I'm about to show you why. We've all been led to believe that building multiple income streams requires a fortune, a genius-level IQ, or a team of experts. But that's just not true. Anyone can create multiple income streams, regardless of their background or financial situation. It's all about perspective and mindset. The truth is, most people are held back by their own fears and doubts. They think they're not good enough, smart enough, or experienced enough. But the reality is, creating multiple income streams is a skill that can be learned, just like any other. And with the right approach, it can be done with ease. When it comes to creating multiple income streams, people often think of passive income, side hustles, and investments. But what does that really mean? Passive income is income that's earned without actively working for it, like rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. Side hustles are part-time businesses or freelance work that can be done in your spare time, like selling nutritional products, selling marketing tools and systems, designing logos or writing articles. And investments are assets that generate returns over time, like real estate or index funds. For example, let's say you love taking photos. You could start a side hustle selling your photos on stock image websites or offering your services to local clients. Or, if you're good with numbers, you could create an investment strategy that generates consistent returns. The possibilities are endless, and the beauty of it is that you don't need to be an expert in any of these areas to get started. Another example is creating an online course teaching others a skill you're good at. This is a form of passive income, as once you've created the course, you can sell it and earn money without having to do much else. The key is to identify your strengths and interests and find ways to monetize them. In my online business, I have found that using pre-built funnel systems allow you to optimize your efforts without any additional time involved. The key strategy to making building multiple income streams feel easier and more accessible is to focus on one thing at a time. Don't try to build 5 income streams at once. Start with one and master it before moving on to the next. Break it down into smaller, manageable tasks and celebrate your small wins along the way. It's also important to shift your mindset from, "I need to make a lot of money," to "I need to make progress." Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Focus on taking consistent action, and the money will follow. And remember, building multiple income streams is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, patience, and persistence, but the rewards are well worth it. So, don't be too hard on yourself if you encounter setbacks or failures along the way. Instead, learn from them and keep moving forward. For example, using a pre-built funnel system like My Easy Funnel allows you to start with 1 or 2 programs and then add on additional programs as you gain more confidence and experience. The My Easy Funnel system also has multiple programs that allow you to focus on the ones that you are most interested in, while allowing you to expose your customers to others that they might find more interesting. It allows you to create a system that caters to the likings of different people without you having to create completely different sales funnels for each system, as this is already done for you. So to recap, building multiple income streams is not only possible, but it's also easier than you think. By focusing on one thing at a time, celebrating small wins, and shifting your mindset, you can create a life of financial freedom and stability. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on building multiple income streams in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more, check out my next video on practical tips for starting your first income stream.